In primetime news this evening, detective, sergeant, and inmate killed in incident.
And that is at the Halfway Tree police station. It happened a short while ago. Yes, she can. U.S. Vice President Kamala Harris' relatives in Jamaica react to news of her run for the presidency.
And calls growing for the JPS to do more to protect customers. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And a special hello to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I am Janella Precious. With a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Andrea Chisholm.
Well, Janella, today we're talking about the National Housing Trust, and they're offering an amnesty to select group of persons. For example, some people will not have to pay interest on outstanding amounts. I'll have details later in the business day.
Thank you very much, Andre. And Giovanni Dennis has a preview of what's coming up in primetime sports. Gio?
Well, Archibald, more controversy over Olympic track and field team selection as sprinter claims she has been dropped from the national squad. I'll have the details in primetime sports.
So I have a question. Why isn't your victory in the sports headline?
Bad mind.
I'll soon explain what that is all about. But Romain is also here with a preview of the weather report and forecast.
Thanks, General. Now, stability is the order of the week. We have stable conditions across most of the Central Caribbean, so we're expecting dry conditions across much of the area until about the middle of this week.
Stable, but it's hot.
Yeah,
hot. There's also sports coverage through ePrime and the weather report in detail later on in the newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what are your thoughts on a Kamala Harris versus Donald Trump face-off in the U.S. presidential election?
I am looking forward to those comments, and you can share them online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and you can post on X at TVJ News Center.
So please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.